I'm gonna show you how to take one best-selling design and turn it into 10 or more of them with an easy-to-use feature in Kittl called Styles Remix. Now, here is an example right here of a design that we know does really well. It is a coquette style that is a trending style right now. And then we're mixing some humor with mental health or humor with just being an adult, as it were. And I think this is a really, really cool layout. Now, there's not a ton going on, and this obviously only really adheres to one specific kind of audience. But with this new and easy to use feature, what we can do is come over here and add an AI image board. I'm actually going to show you an even easier way to do this. Once I've attached this board to it, down here in the left, you see this little style button. If I click on this style button, we're going to see all of these cool categories that you can apply and will change your design into a new variation, therefore giving you many versions of your design that a different person with a different aesthetic might want to buy. And if I go down here to the design category, we're going to see exactly that. And this is how simple this is. I really like this Rizzo print style, another trending design. We just talked about that in another video. I'm just going to click on this. I'm not even going to type in anything to change. I'm just going to have that selected. I'm going to keep everything in the original design as it were, and I'm just going to hit generate, and that is going to give me this design in that style. Now, I mentioned there's an even easier way to do this. You actually don't have to add an AI image board. I can simply select my board, or if it's an image or an illustration, you can do the same thing. I'll go down here and just click on style, and let's go back, click on design, and choose a different one we might want to try out. I like this ink wash style a lot. It's kind of in the same fashion as the style that we have going right now, but why not add a similar style if we know this one is selling well? Let's go ahead and do one in a very similar adjacent style. So I'm going to go ahead and click ink wash and hit generate, and that is going to give me my loading card right here. And now what's really cool about this is we can just keep doing this. I can just keep going to style. Let's go ahead and see what a like Y2K-esque style would look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that, hit generate, and we can see right here that our first one finished up. So that is in that Rizzo print style, where if I get in really close right here, it kept the overall design aesthetic, but just applied the new style to it. And then right here, here's that same ink wash one. It kind of added some like Paris style vibes in the background. And if we're ever wanting to easily use our AI image that we just generated, we can come right here and click convert to image. And then if I want to remove the background from it, I can just simply hit this remove background button, and that's going to take it away so that I have it ready to easily use on my merch. And if you're already ready to just export this and start uploading it to your print on demand provider, you can simply go right here to the quick export setting and just export this at the highest resolution, and you're ready to upload this transparent PNG to your print provider. And here are a few others that I generated. This one I really like a lot. This is the sticker bomb one, I think, that has a whole bunch of different cool little cuts around it, and the text is still really legible. I probably wouldn't use that one for a t-shirt, but maybe for a journal or a mouse pad or something like that, it could be really cool. And I really like this pixelated one that already came out vector and with no background, so I could come over here and adjust my colors if I want to. And then these ones that have a background, like I said before, we can actually select multiple of them. I'm just holding down the shift key and selecting all of them together, and then I can remove the background from all of these in one swoop at one time so that we're ready to mock these up. And by the way, if you ever want to see what these will look like on a mock-up before you're going to download it and import it to your print on demand provider, we can also add mock-ups to any artboard, and then we can adjust whatever is here and see what it's going to look like on this t-shirt. I can take this design and move it off, and I can take this pixel one and put it on right here, and as you can see, it applies it to that mock-up. We can also move it around on the mock-up itself and even change the mock-up if we want to see what it's going to look like on a model or any other kind of context. And you can do this over and over again to get tons of different versions of your design by simply going and using the Remix Styles feature in Kittl. Now, we have other videos on the channel showing you how to create things like asset packs or typography effects with the Styles Remix feature. It's super easy. You can go check out those videos on the channel. It'll only take you a few minutes to watch. And if you haven't been using Kittl, go ahead and sign up using the link down in the description. It's totally free to get started. You can even be doing a lot of what I just showed you with the AI models in the styles panel. And if you feel like it's right for you, there's a promo code that you can use to get a percentage off of your first subscription price. And let us know in the comments what you think about the Remix Styles feature. It has been a lot of fun using it and getting a ton of different cool effects. It applies for logos, like I said, text effects. There are photography styles, artistic styles. It's a lot of fun to play with, and I think it's going to help you take your designs further, faster, allow you to get way more listings up on your print-on-demand shops, and in turn make way more sales. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss videos and feature updates just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.